that racing heart and those spiraling thoughts. What if a simple tool could offer real, science-backed relief? This isn't just about comfort. A weighted blanket can actually alter your brain chemistry, boosting calming hormones. The effects are so real, they're physically measurable. Studies show they can lower your heart rate during anxious moments. And this isn't something that takes weeks. The calming process can begin in as little as 5 minutes. So how does this work? We'll break down the neuroscience, show you who it helps, and reveal what to look for in 2026. The core principle behind every weighted blanket is a technique called deep pressure stimulation, or DPT. It's the science of a firm hug. But how does that hug actually tell your nervous system to calm down? It's about flipping a specific switch in your body. DPT activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's natural rest and digest mode. This counteracts the fight or flight response. This pressure also provides proprioceptive input, your brain's awareness of your body in space. This input is inherently stabilizing. Together, these signals create a powerful, grounding sensation. It physically anchors you, helping to interrupt the cycle of racing thoughts. This isn't a new fad. The principles of DPT have been used for decades in occupational therapy for conditions like autism and ADHD. Let's return to that brain chemistry claim from the beginning. Deep pressure isn't just a feeling, it's a trigger for a biochemical event. The gentle, sustained pressure encourages your brain to produce more serotonin. This is your happy neurotransmitter. It regulates mood and promotes calm. Answering our earlier question, this pressure is the key to your body's own calm chemistry. Serotonin is also a precursor to melatonin. Simultaneously, the calming signals tell your adrenal system to pump the brakes. This leads to a reduction in cortisol, the primary stress hormone. So when we see heart rate and blood pressure drop, as mentioned earlier, it's the direct physical result of this hormonal shift. The science is clear, but what does this look like in the real world? The most immediate impact is often on the anxiety-insomnia cycle. Anxiety prevents sleep, and lack of sleep worsens anxiety. By providing constant, calming input, a weighted blanket helps break that cycle. Its effectiveness is also apparent in clinical contexts. It's a valuable supportive tool for ADHD, PTSD, and autism spectrum conditions. But its use isn't limited to nighttime. Draping one over your lap during stressful work can improve focus or create a calm-down ritual. It sounds amazing, but it's not a magic bullet. To get these benefits, you have to choose the right one. The top rule is often misunderstood. You'll hear 10% of your body weight everywhere. This is a starting point, not a strict law. Too heavy can cause discomfort, defeating the purpose. What's inside matters. High-quality glass beads provide a smooth, consistent pressure. Cheaper plastic pellets can feel lumpy. The top complaint used to be heat. But in 2026, that's a solved problem. Look for naturally breathable fabrics like cotton or specialized cooling covers. It is also vital to have the right perspective. A weighted blanket is a powerful supportive tool, not a replacement for professional medical treatment. And they aren't for everyone. They are unsafe for infants and toddlers. Anyone who can't remove the blanket themselves should consult a doctor first. So let's bring this all together. How do the science, the feeling, and the practical choices create a powerful anxiety management strategy? Remember the cortisol reduction and serotonin boost? Using the blanket for 15 minutes during a work break actively resets your brain chemistry. That grounding sensation is the key to breaking the insomnia cycle. It gives your anxious mind a physical sensation to focus on. This is why the quality of the blanket is so important. Even weight distribution from glass beads ensures consistent, deep pressure stimulation. When you look at the price, you're not just buying a blanket. You're investing in a tool that uses proven neuroscience to improve your sleep and mood. So a weighted blanket is far more than a cozy accessory. It's a non-pharmacological tool that uses science to actively calm your nervous system. It can measurably lower stress markers, improve sleep, and provide a feeling of grounding. For managing anxiety in 2026, it is a worthwhile investment. The best blanket isn't about a brand name. It's the one with the right weight, materials, and breathability for your personal comfort. If this breakdown helped you, share your experience or questions below. For our specific 2026 product recommendations, check the link in the description.